Hey guys, Ian here. I am going to run through how we go and install the RKXTECH PCV valve membrane. Needs to come off. This trim needs to come off. The inlet manifold, so this whole black thing needs to come off. So basically we undo these coil packs. You're gonna undo these bolts. Then we're going to undo these black ones here that then attaches the whole inlet manifold. Yeah, detach all of this stuff here as well, and all the electrical connections. So here, this one. But yeah, I'll go through it all once it's all undone. Okay, so going through the tools, just get yourself a good 1/4 inch set with a good set of Torx bits. So you'll see in that red little arm holder, I've got another set of Torx bits which go all the way up to T40 or 50, and that's what you'll need. Here I've got my hose clamp remover tool. If you don't have one of them, get mechanics grips, and that should be everything you need. Alright, so now I'm ready to take the inlet manifold off, which is this big black thing with the runners in it. So to take it off, there are 1, 2 vacuum lines you've got to unplug from the back here. Now you do need an extra tool, which is an M10 spline bit, which holds the inlet manifold in the bracket here. That's where that little bolt goes, a bit hidden. And the rest, I've just undone these ones and the 2 silver bolts here on the side. So this is all ready to come off. You can see. Get it? There we go. Nice and easy. So that's that. These bolts are captured, so you don't have to worry about them going anywhere. Next, we go. Take off the cam cover here. I don't know where this came from. That's good to know. So from what I can see, it's nice and easy. Got to take off all the surrounding bolts here. They would be 10 mil. It looks like we've got to remove this bracket here as well with the fueling stuff on it, and then we should be able to get the cover off. Okay, so I'm almost ready to take off the cam cover. So I've just undone all of these bolts here. So there's 3 there, but what I like to do is just put these 2 sort of like loosely back in where they kind of belong, so you're not going to be searching for them later on. Loosen these up. You're going to have to take your coil packs out. Super easy. Just grab it, twist a little bit and pull, shoving them up there in order. There we go. That one's a little bit rusted, but still works fine. Taking off the last ones here. Easy. And then that cam cover will be able to come off with some prying. So just with a little bit of yanking after all these 10 mil bolts are undone. Cam cover comes off, pull it towards the front of the car. Again, these bolts here, they're captured, so they're not going to go anywhere. Set this guy aside. Cool, and let's have a look in there. Welcome to the insides of the head. So what I'm going to do is just going to clean up all this oil before reinstallation, but everything is super clean in here, which is nice. Next, we're going to work on this. So screwdrivers there, they all have to come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so removing this little PCV cover section is going to be one of the most difficult bits, but if you stick a flat blade screwdriver in there and then you yoink it that way, you should be able to get the panel loose, and that'll now come up and out. So guys, one-handed shear is difficult. There we go. So clean that up, that's what you want. And we're going to open that up and replace the valve. Yeah, that's better. Alright, so I'll take that off. And then, what are you doing? Jam a screwdriver in there, this little hole. So let's crack it open. Oh my god. Cool. Work the screwdriver around the edge. That side's nice and open already. There we go. Oops. Spring, PCV unit. So that can stay. The new bits. Move this black piece in the spring assembly from there to there. And that presses in. Should move up and down. Move that over. This now presses into there. Spring. Onto the housing where it was before. Click it all down. Yep. Gasket can only go in one way. And then you go back where you came. Yep. Okay, and then we go back the way we came. So I cleaned up all the oil from around the gasket edge and each of the coil pack circles. Cam cover is now ready to go back on. Alright, so cam bolts back down. These three fixed back down again. Coil packs plugged in. Inlet manifold ready to go back on. Okay, so I've gone around and done all of the T30 Torx ones along with the little M10 spline down the back here, reconnected these two vacuum lines. As always, finger tight everything first, and then you go down with your tool just to make sure everything's lined up. Next thing is to put these connections back, nice and easy. Plug your coil packs back in, line that up, line that up. So what I mean by line that up is I'm lining up these little things back into their home, and everything will just click in. Yep. Coil packs plugged in. Make sure you hear your click. Click, click, trim, back on, just so everyone knows it's a V6. Whoops. Now, if I was a little more careful, I would have seen there's locating clips in the back, and then they kind of click in the front. Done. Push this guy back in. Everything clicks in nicely. Intake back onto the throttle body, and that's it. Job's done.